Welcome to my backyard. I need to figure out where to put these flowers, and I'm thinking that pot over there. I actually have this one and this one. It is already on the drip system, so I think I'll just take the old plant out and scrape off the top, off the moss and all that, pine needles, and revive the soil. Okay, let's take it out of the pot, squeeze it from the bottom. Don't pull it from the plant. And it's from the store, so it's going to be root bound more than likely. Massage, but not too much, don't break them. Make sure it's firm in the soil. And there we go. So I chose this particular flower because it's called cherryberry, and I love the color. It's a hybrid and it's called Nympsia, I believe. I'm not quite sure. I think it would make a lovely addition to the lilac. And once that rhododendron pops, we are going to have a show. Oh, I almost forgot. We got to add B1. Remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless. Have an awesome day. And until next time, bye-bye.